This is our federal government's GSA website. Now, GSA is General Services Administration. One of their responsibilities is to verify the quality and the country of origin for the products that our federal government buys. They negotiate a price and they verify the country of origin to make sure, I don't know, maybe you're not putting Chinese surveillance trailers on our Air Force bases. Maybe stuff like that. Well, here's what I found. This is the GSA website, and it shows a surveillance trailer that's available for purchase for any federal government, even state and local. They let state and local agencies buy off these contracts. Now, you'll notice it's for sale here for $56,000. Okay, that's cool. If someone buys on this site, they don't even have to go out to bid. It's already negotiated. So they've already negotiated the price and supposedly the quality, but look here, country of origin. Well, let's take a look at the surveillance trailer real quick. Let's take a look at this mask. Look how it mounts on this great big long tongue right here. That's weird. Here's a surveillance trailer on Alibaba straight from China. Look how the tongue is extended and how the mask mounts to the base. That's weird. Take a look at the cabinet doors. Take a look at the way the wheel well, the back of the wheel well is lower than the front. Huh, wait a minute. Same doors, same wheel well. Huh, same solar panel configurations. You know, is it me or is it reasonable to assume that both of these trailers came from the same factory? They are too precise for one to be a knockoff of another because they're identical. So I'm thinking it's logical to assume that they both came from the same factory. So I contacted GSA and I said, hey, I'd like to kind of lodge a formal inquiry into this. The third time they sent me an email and said, you have to respond here. So I sent an email to them and said, here's the problem. And all they were sent back was, I have to speak with the person that sent me to them. And I'm like, whoa, wait a minute. And they did not include their contact information. And I'm like going, Cal, wait a minute, am I paranoid? Or are they trying to bury this? I think they've got Chinese surveillance trailers listed as a country of origin as USA. And I can clearly see that that trailer was sourced out of China. And I send this to them and I don't think they want to know. I think they just want me to go away. I don't know. What do you think?